Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Advance Aquaclean 18 FLX carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we've got a bad vac motor and we need to replace it. Super simple, this is how you do it. We're going to remove the 8 Phillips head screws that are holding the vac cover and gasket down onto the machine. Okay, now sometimes the vac motor cover and gasket gets stuck down, so get yourself a little screwdriver and just pry up. And that exposes the vac motor. Now with the vac motor exposed, all you have to do is lift up on the vac motor, pull it out, set it right here on front so we can unplug the vac motor wires. Just like that. Now what we want to do is take a flathead screwdriver and loosen this hose clamp to the exhaust side of the vac motor. Remove the exhaust hose. Now be sure to remove the 3 vibrating mounts from the old vac motor so you can put them on the new vac motor. Take your new vac motor, install it just the way you took it out. Put your vibrating mounts back on the new vac motor. Reconnect the exhaust hose. Tighten down the hose clamp. Just like that. And now we are going to plug the new vac motor wires back into the machine. They are color coordinated, white to white, green to green, and black to black. Now what I do want to mention is while you got your vac motor out, there is a gasket that sits inside here with a chamber where the vac motor goes. Go ahead and take a look at that and make sure it's not worn or damaged in any way. If it is, you can replace it at this time. There is a vac motor gasket that can either sit on top of the vac motor or you can put it on the vac motor cover. It does the same thing. So just take your vac motor, line it up and put it back in. So like I mentioned, there's the vac motor gasket in the cover, or it can go on top of the vac motor. So now all we have to do is put the cover back on the machine. Now just tighten the 8 screws back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.